try-catch block. So if we want to handle the exception ourselves, we can use a try-catch block. In Java, a try block is used to enclose the code that may throw an exception. So a try block consists of a set of executable statements. During the execution of these statements, exceptions can be thrown. Now, a method that may throw an exception can also be enclosed by the try block. So a try block is always followed by a catch block, and we handle the exception in the catch block. So one or more catch blocks can follow a try block. Now, in a catch block, we can use the exception object to print details of the exception. And as you can see here in the diagram, first, the try block is executed, and if the code in the try block throws an exception, the catch block is executed. Multiple catch blocks. So we use multiple catch blocks after a try block. A try block may be followed by any number of catch blocks. Each catch block handles a particular type of exception. Now, before Java 7, we used to catch multiple exceptions one by one, as shown in this slide. But with Java 7 and beyond, if a catch block handles a multiple exception, we can then separate them using a pipe, and in this case, the exception parameter is final, so we can't change it. So this feature actually reduces code redundancy.